You tell them what you're going to do.
100 digits of pi.
The first 100 digits of value of pi. Alright, Arush, whenever you're ready.
3.14159265358 3238462643383279 5028841971 6939993 7510 58 582097 4944 59 592307 816406 2 0628620899 8 1 no it's 8628 0 3 0 3 484 4825 312117 31
It's not 3-1. You said 3-1, right?
Yeah.
It's not 3-1.
Three four 2117 0679.
Okay. Alright. Now, did you see these 100 digits of pi before, any time before now? No? Right. Now, how long did it take for you to commit to memory and then retain it and recall it?
Like 34 minutes, 35.
35 minutes.
Today morning only he was practicing this.
Yes. Because I
I was
taught him.
asking him why you didn't do it last night.
Yes. Typical teenagers. I taught the methods yesterday. Right? And you all know it's only a 3.5-hour class, not a full day class. Right? They learned the method yesterday. They put all these different right brain methods, mind's eye, awareness, concentration, focus. How do you make sure the mind is not distracted? The method, the code to convert digital information to text, text to digital, all of that put together in a matter of 30-35 minutes. Here is Arush that's able to do it. Right? Now, Arush, when you first came in on day one, what happened? Walk us through the journey.
I was like, well, like on the first day it was like shapes and like just not a lot of, memorizing. It was like I thought at first it was just gonna be like shapes and puzzles, but then like after a while it actually started to help and like it actually started to work and then memorizing and everything started to cut down and it actually became useful as the day went on and like over the days it's been helpful and I'm excited to come.
Yeah. What's the life lesson you learned from this experience?
That you shouldn't judge on the first day. You should take all 4 days and then judge it after all the 4 days or after all the whole lessons.
Yeah.
And then, you should always be open-minded.
And that life lesson, is it just restricted only to the workshop here? Or?
No, it's in the whole world universe.
Yeah, or anything in your life.
You should always be open-minded and try something new.
Yes. And I used some specific words about faith in the invisible. Yes. So, Arush for the first day when he came. See, what I believe is new learning happens when you create space for new learning. And for that to happen, unlearning has to begin first. So we spend some time in unlearning so that space for new learning is created, and then we introduce something that's going to stay with them for the rest of their lives. And most often, because of the fast pace of how our attention span just wants to move on in 2.5 minutes. Even when we receive WhatsApp videos, first we see how long is the video, right? It's 2 minutes, yeah, maybe I'll give it. If it's 4 minutes, no, not now. Do we all do that? Yeah? Yeah, forward it. Yeah. Oh, who is it coming from? Delete it. I've been in this group, WhatsApp group for this long, and all they send is videos of somebody doing this, that. Our attention span is less than 2 minutes these days because of the volume, velocity, and complexity of information. And every single passing day, we are training our mind to be controlled by external influences. And we are losing the sense of patience, the sense of control, the sense of belief and faith. What I requested my children to do here is have faith in the invisible. Improve the span, the range of your patience. And when you do that, you start to see how, when you connect with the source of joy, source of happiness, the source of confidence deep inside, it starts to take root. Right? And if we had just, based on one day of that lack of patience and lack of time, given up on the opportunity to build these lifelong skills and capabilities, we would have lost a lot. Now the life lesson is, be open and receptive with faith before judging anything in 2 minutes. Are you glad you did that? Right? And Arush can also perform hundreds of things using these applications, and so did most of my students. SAT words. He doesn't have to spend months and months. In 3,000 SAT words in a matter of weeks. All the 21 empires and dynasties in AP world history, which would have otherwise taken him 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, 15 minutes. Most common diseases in AP bio, 10 minutes. Thermodynamics vocabulary, 10, 15 minutes. Is that a fact?
Yeah.
Yes. I'm not going to ask you to do that. You have to do it anyway. So how do you feel now about all those things?
A lot better. Now like I can actually, do it in 30 minutes, more time to study.
Yes.
Be now. And not cramming and like doing 4 hours.
So when learning accelerates, it leaves behind a lot of time for depth, or contemplation, or comprehension. If out of 4 hours you're spending 3.5 hours cramming information, rote memorizing, where is the time to truly understand what that information is trying to teach me? There is none. But if you reverse that, in 30 minutes you're absorbing, retaining everything. You have 3.5 hours left for deeper comprehension, deeper contemplation. And that leads to depth in learning. That is what we need. Right? All right, one more round of applause.